video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my clay charcoal marks with vitamin C. The first thing I'm going to be using here is my clay, and here I'm going to be using my bentonite clay. Of course, you can use any clay of your choice. You can use kaolin clay, you can use rose clay, whichever one comes your way. And then I have my activated charcoal. I'm adding a very little here, and then I'm going to be adding some more after until I get the color that I want. So let me mix this a little first. And then I'm going to come with my vitamin C powder. This is my L-ascorbic acid powder, and this powder will help the face marks to have this brightening effect. Since this powder is in a dry form, we shouldn't be worried about the L-ascorbic acid oxidizing, so it's very okay to use like this. I'll be adding my remaining charcoal powder here. And then I'll be adding my essential oil here. I'm using tea tree essential oil. When choosing essential oil for this kind of product, make sure that you are going to be using the one that is targeted at helping the skin to fight one or two problems like acne and all that. And tea tree is a very nice choice here. So I had just about 10 drops, and then I blended this into the powder, and this essential oil also helps to give a nice scent. So this mask is very easy to make, and we are done. I'm just going to transfer this into my cup. Make sure your cup is sterilized, and make sure that your powder is really dry. You can also leave the powder to dry a little before packaging, so that the essential oil can actually dry into the powders. To simply use this, take a scoop that you want to use into a plate, add some water, rose water or any hydrosol of your choice, and then apply on your face with a brush or with your hand. Then leave these for as long as you want. You can do your chores while you leave them on your face. Allow them to dry in to your skin, and then after some time you wash it off. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I hope you subscribed. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes from Prime Side. I would love to see you next time.